Okay. Hello guys, this is Vong and welcome to my channel. So guys, today is the day of celebrating Women's Day in Vietnam. So it's a very special day for them because they're gonna celebrate, of course, the women's or the woman in their lives. So yeah, I'm with my co-teacher and she's gonna go with me because yeah, this is teacher Lan. So what are we going today, teacher? Is we're going to buy 10 flowers. Yes. And then we're gonna give it to 10 um, 10 women. Yes. And yeah, we're gonna give them something. I don't know how they will feel about it, but yeah, I hope they will be happy. It's a random woman, guys, that I'm gonna give flowers. So I don't know what will happen, but I'm so excited. Like, yeah, it's my first time. Now let's go, guys. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Hello again, guys. So I'm with teacher Lan. So we will ask her if how are they going to celebrate Vietnamese Women's Day because today is their celebration of Women's Day. So we're gonna ask her. Oh, let's go. So, teacher, how are you? How are they going to, or your country celebrate Women's Day?
Teacher, please.
What are you? What are the things that you are going to do?
We need buy some flower and give
Gave it to their
mom.
mom. Oh,
And
okay. And after that, how are they going to celebrate? Like, is there a party or something?
yes,
They will have a party
yes.
in their houses or going to a restaurant.
Sometimes it's up to
It's up to them.
yes.
Okay. But yesterday we saw a couple of group of people celebrating Women's Day, right, in a
Yes.
restaurant. So
Yes.
actually, guys, we celebrated yesterday
Mm.
Women's Day for my co-teachers. So it's from our bosses. So why did you take it off? Okay, so now we're gonna buy 10 flowers for random, and we will give it to randoms of people here, a woman here in Vietnam.
Yes.
So let's see. Bye. Yes, so bahala na kayo sa English ko guys kasi nahihirapan man din ako eh. Yan. Hello, miss. Hello. So we're gonna buy no more?
Yes.
10.
10 Vietnamese.
Yeah, 10 flowers.
What flower do you want to buy it?
Yeah, this one, a rose,
one?
red rose. Yeah,
You want this?
just this one.
Chứ chỉ còn mấy bông ạ? Ba chi. Đó, còn có 4 bông nữa, 4 bông, 3 bông, 7 bông. Ai lấy cái này, bông này.
So ganito sila mag-set up ito guys. Guys, bahala na kayo sa English ko ha. Guys, so nandito na po tayo ngayon sa flower shop and kung nakikita nyo guys, sobrang creative po talaga nila when it comes to
How many flowers do you
10.
want to buy?
10.
10 flowers.
Yeah.
Cho em 10 bông nhé.
As you can see guys, sobrang creative po talaga nila. Yan.
Em có được chọn không?
Sobrang ganda po ng mga flowers nila dito guys. I just,
Choose some flowers.
anything yeah.
Mà nó nhỏ thế.
Yan. So, as you can see guys, sobrang ganda po dito. So, very cheap lang din po yung mga flowers po nila dito guys. So, if you have time, you can visit here and buy. Okay, they will be open today. Guys, bahala na kayo sa English ko basta. Okay, so guys, I just enjoy because it's my first time. So, yeah, I don't know how they celebrate it, but it's very genuine, guys. They appreciate the women's here in Vietnam. Hello guys! So yan, nakabili na po tayo ng flowers. I'm gonna speak my language. Okay, nakabili na po tayo ng flowers guys. So dito po kami bumili sa, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan po nila. Basta it's a flower shop here near in our center. So guys, ayan po, eto na po. Sobrang ganda guys. Sobrang mura lang po nito. And tingnan nyo naman, sobrang bango pa guys. So, hello Peter! You take, yeah. Hello Peter, yeah. Peter, hi!
Hai teacher nào.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna give this to randoms of people, maybe a vendor. Yeah, so let's go guys! Okay guys, so may nakita po tayong dalawang young at hearts guys. So let's try to give them a flowers guys. Okay, let's go. Hello, chị ơi. Happy Women's Day.
Tặng cô một bông ạ. Một bông ạ.
Yeah.
Cô lại được tặng hoa đi.
Happy Women's Day. And hello. Happy Women's Day.
Cảm ơn.
Yeah.
The rose is beauty.
Huh? Beautiful. Uy, I'm shy. Let's go there and I have my
It's a test, marketing content.
come here. Let's go here. Hello, Chi. Yeah, I will give you flowers. Happy Women's Day. Yeah, Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day. Yeah. Nasa-
Kasi din na.
Hello. I will give you flowers. Happy Women's Day. Where are we going? Let's go there. Not that too. Not that too. Guys, so may nabigyan na po tayong ano, ilan na ba yun? Six. Apat. Parang nahihiya ako. Paano ba yun? Guys, nahihiya ako. Kumapal ng mukha ko. Guys. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Hello, Chi. Happy Women's Day. Yeah, Happy Women's Day. Hello. Happy Women's Day.
Thank you.
Yeah, here. And
Rồi, chúng ta ba, trung tâm ba anh Việt Nam ha.
Happy Women's Day. It's a random people, guys, so I think I'm gonna. Hello. Happy Women's Day. And here. Come on, yeah. Okay, so let's go, guys. Let's go back. Okay, hello, guys. So we are finished now. So some of them enjoy. I think most of them really enjoy upon receiving the flowers. Where are we gonna go? Here. So guys, so I'm happy, guys. Yan, nabigyan na po natin sila ng mga flowers. Nakakatuwa dahil ano, it's okay? I know, no, yeah. Let's go. It's okay.
Noah.
So I'm so happy, guys. Yan, nakakatuwa po talaga sila. Like, it's just a simple flowers and they receive it wholeheartedly, very much. Guys, saan akong mga English guys kay naglistod na. So, today is their celebration of their Women's Day. So, I'm sure they will have some parties and they will enjoy with their families. So, lagi po talagang parang bonding with the family, guys, pag may mga parang event or something, holidays, guys. So, okay, guys, so I think that's all for today. Please like and follow my account. Goodbye.
Bye.